I finally decided that what would go on the egg. So a few months ago, I got this ostrich egg, which got me really thinking about what I should be painting on it. And I reached out to a lot of you and I got a ton of suggestions what I'm trying to do on this egg and what does it actually represent. Started representing this idea of birth and death of creative projects. So I decided to take the month to finish up all my old projects, the paintings, the graphics, the things that I've been kind of lingering and not fully finished or flushed out. I brought back the paintings, I cleaned up the edges, I finally started signing them, and then I finally decided that what will go on the egg is the rose fist. The rose fist was a birth of an idea that came from a graphic that simply represented my ideals, my ideology. And not only did it sort of emerge out of the painting and the canvases, it actually got me back thinking about what gives birth to creative ideas.
I've never painted an egg before, but you know, there's this hole in here so that you can like drain the stuff out. So I'm gonna like hook that up to this thing that I rigged for my phone, but I'm also going to hook it, I'm gonna hang the egg here so that I can work on it. Yeah, I think this would be a good spot.
I think that's like the curse of being a creative, is that we get so excited about the next thing, we sometimes abandon the thing that we're working on. So I decided in my birthday month that I would basically work on all these old projects, get them done, finish them, sign them, and photograph them and get them ready to put on the new website. Just want to say thank you so much. You've helped me reach 500 subscribers. That is huge, and I'm beyond grateful for it. I appreciate you. Let's get back in the video. The egg really represents this birth of the garden warrior. And I love that because it's a representation of exactly where I am today. So as creatives, we have the gifts and talents to create and do wonderful things. However, sometimes we put things on the back burner that we need to just finish up, clean up, get on our website, get out into the world, share, give it away, whatever it may be. But the idea is that your gifts are going to keep coming, but the next creative project is actually going to be birthed in the creative project that you're working on now. Because you're learning new techniques, you're adding new color, new ways of thinking, and that's the beauty of creativity. But I can't think about the birth without thinking about the death of creative projects. And for me, I felt like signing my name on the canvas meant that that project is done. It is sealed. It is now beyond me. It is now going to take on a life of its own. It is now going to inspire or teach someone something, or maybe it's not. But that's not up to me anymore. And once I sign it, that meant that that project is done. It felt so amazing to finish those projects, sign them, and now get them ready to put up on the website. But also felt really good to start the egg and finish it. And now it gets to hang out on my shelf where I get to be reminded of the birth of the garden warrior. This one concept that now is painted on this egg has led to so many other creative things for me. And it's really cool that once you dive into a creative project, that it will start to automatically give birth to the next creative project. So if you're out there and you're a creative entrepreneur and you're dying to start the next creative project, but you don't know what to do, I highly suggest go pick up an old project that you haven't finished. Start finishing it, and I promise you it may give you an idea for the next thing that you create. On that note, I'm Hussein Albiati. Y'all take care. Peace.